guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I'm opening these Squishmallow blind boxes. Let's get started. So first let me show you the Squishmallows. Those are the Squishmallows that I am going to be unboxing. So let's go ahead and open them up. This one is actually really hard to open, so I'm still gonna try. So yeah, that is just too hard for me. Alright, so let's open this. I'm doing this my left hand, so it's pretty hard. Yeah, so now I should be able to, yeah. Let's see which one we get. I'm gonna close my eyes. Right. Oh, this is really hard to get out. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. That is so cute. My goodness. I love this. Its name is Marcos. By the way, we were not sponsored. I would love to be sponsored, but it's okay. Look, Marcos. Hi, Marcos. You're so cute. Ready? Anyways, I say we open the next little one. Let's do it. Let's go ahead and open this one. This one I'm doing my right hand, so it's easier. So this will take a moment. Oh, it's videoing. All right. What did I get? This is so cute. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Boy, this is a boy, this is a girl. Maybe. And let's go see what her name is real quick. Alright, its name is Hartley, which is super cute. Oh. So yeah, its name is Hartley. Can't really see on camera, but now it's time to open one of our big ones. I kind of just dropped it. Alright, we're gonna open this one. It's super easy to, so let's try it. I think this one's gonna be really good. We might get a repeat with 2 of these. Hope we don't. But yeah, so anyways, we have 2 more to open. I really hope I get the watermelon, or actually with the watermelon or the orange, because we got the orange juice. I would want the watermelon, orange, or that one, the blueberry. So let's open it. Yeah, so I really hope it's that one, or that one. So let's open it. Alright, so let's put it together. Oh, that kind of did nothing. We're gonna try again. Here. Sorry guys, the background, the TV's on, so see what you get. We got the blueberry. Are you serious? Look how cute it is as a little flower. leaf. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Bluebee. I love you, Bluebee. That is so cute. So, like I said, we could get a repeat. So now I want the watermelon or the orange. Or maybe that one. That one's cute. Let's go ahead. Alright. Oh, can you turn on the light, Mom? Look what I got. I got the green apple. She's cute. Her name is Ashley. She's cute. She's cute. Not what I wanted, but she's cute. They smell really good. Wait, these are the ones that smell good. Let's smell this one. Wait, where is it? Oh, it's right here. So, I got this one and that one. If I would need like more to get the whole thing, but this is so good. I love this. I love this, baby. So, we need to pick up our mess here. Alright, so that was so much fun. We got this one. This one.
Plums first. These are so good.
Plums? Where?
Whoa.
Hey, you want to try them?
Right there.
Marina didn't want them?
No.
And
I
right
was
here.
asking Maria, I'm like, hey,
Ooh.
would you mind if I pick these? And she said, no, I asked her yesterday.